In this video, let's see how to set up and use eSIM on your Galaxy Watch Ultra. So every Galaxy Watch Ultra has that eSIM option. For example, on my Galaxy Watch Ultra, if I go to settings, then connections, now if I scroll down and tap on mobile networks, it says no mobile plan found. Add one on your phone. So in order to use eSIM, you should have eSIM enabled on your Galaxy phone first. I have already made a dedicated video on how to use eSIM on Galaxy S24 and S25 Ultra. Its link will be down in description. You can check it out. To enable eSIM on your Galaxy phone, go to settings, tap on connections. Now choose SIM manager and tap on add eSIM. Now you can add eSIM from another Galaxy phone. You can scan a QR code or you can search your phone for eSIM if it has. I'm going to tap on scan QR code. I'll scan the QR code and eSIM will be activated. Once you have enabled eSIM on your Galaxy phone, now you can check it out on your Galaxy Watch Ultra. You can try it out too from Wearable app on your Galaxy phone. Go to Wearable app on your phone and tap on Watch Settings. Scroll down and you'll see an option that says Mobile Plans. Just tap it and go through the process step by step. After some time, eSIM will be activated on your Galaxy Watch. One setting that is important here is when your watch should use eSIM. If it is always on, always off, or auto. Auto means whenever your watch is disconnected from your phone, it will automatically start using eSIM, so you can use calls and messages whenever you want. After that, we have always on option. This option will drain more battery, so I'll suggest to use auto option only. And that was all about using eSIM on your Galaxy Watch Ultra. Are you using eSIM on your Galaxy Watch Ultra or not? Let me know in the comments and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.